All right. Hello. Me, is going to take Rexy. If you don't know Rexy, Rexy's the Kelpie. That's a pain in the ass. We're going to take her on a ride today on the Ironhead. And look, she's coming on the chopper. She's keen. We can just tell by her body language. It sounds pretty dangerous. It's not. She's been on a bike before. This is the first time she's been on the Ironhead, like the chopper. She's been on the Yamaha Harley once. She's she's used to being on four-wheelers and stuff like that. So look, we're just gonna give it a go. She's been on the dirt bike with me a few times. We're just gonna go for a quick burn and see how she likes it. I've got her some little goggles and everything, so we're gonna suit her up and let her have a go. Assistant, are you going to help suit her up?
Hey, no, give me the camera.
Yeah. Assistant, I need a hand.
Stop. Please don't.
Everyone's so weird about having a camera in their face.
I'll video you doing it.
No, it's alright. What are you doing?
I don't have my face done. Stop.
It's going on YouTube. Rexy, come here. What are you doing? Rex. Rex. What are you doing? Sit. Hey, sit. That's not sit. That's lay. What are you doing? Don't you like the camera? You don't like the camera either. Rex, where are you going? Rexy. Rexy, what are you doing?
She hasn't got ready for it yet, Dad.
Come here, Rex. Rexy, come here. Come on. You've used it before. We've got to keep you safe.
Do you reckon you could fit on the back, big boy? Hey, are you going to hop on? You going for a ride too? You going to go for a ride too? Girl.
Well, it's a bit different having her on the front of the bike from when she was a couple of months old. Anyway, bit of fun. Hope I didn't traumatise her too much. What do you reckon, mate? You next? Nah, give it a miss, eh? What do you reckon, Rex? A bit of fun? Do you still love me? Hey? No.
I think that's a no.
What do you reckon? You don't want to do that again? Get out. Are we alright? We're still friends?